Next one is the oscillator application. So in diagram we can see the oscillator. So that will be the B frequency oscillator. So this B frequency oscillator is utilized for the SSV, the single sideband circuit, and the CW continuous wave circuit. So in this case, our diagram we can see that a receiver is receiving a radio wave. So the radio waves combined with the carriers are like floating, and then they come into the mixer fast detector. So there's a mixer fast detector. Mixer or the fast detector is connected to a local oscillator. So the radios are carrier frequency combined with the inputs are signal. So they will look at the oscillator, and then they were passing through the intermediate free carrier happen. So they are passing through the intermediate amplifier, and there's from the intermediate amplifier, the carriers of waveforms are also passing through the second detector. So second detector is coming out there is a take out the amplified signal. So this amplified signal is passing through the first amplifier state, and then also they passing through the audio output state. So this audio output state, the only signal is amplified, and this signal drive the audio output speaker circuit. So this is the operation principle of the radio RF circuit. So this RF circuit we connected to the local oscillator. So local oscillator function is it can mix with the radio frequency and taking out the carrier waveform. So the appropriate amplified signal wave is taking out, and its signal is driving the output speaker circuit. We say we probably oscillator function today. Oscillator who be ma don't be less in B frequency oscillator lo call it. So in single sideband circuit, the continuous wave circuit ma don't be the radio wave they are showing now to receiver if you pan you like be a camera so in a radio wave carrier no wave on trouble like it. I trouble like it. So radio wave carrier wave on the mixer don't move fast detector they will see what I mixer don't move fast detector they must local oscillator if you now local oscillator frequency the bound below camera so in the intermediate carrier circuit cut down and intermediate so amplifier the same now area must intermediate carrier triple below my second detector the same amplified secondary triple I say amplified secondary the first amplifier second state audio output state now look at the signal audio frequency signal top of any audio frequency so output the audio output the speaker the mount in it and LOR in it now any circuit so oscillator application top of that single sideband frequency zone circuit any local oscillator bama don't view mixer don't fast detector circuit don't view